Hey everyone, welcome back. So SoFi, but why? Should we investors put our money in this stock? That's exactly what we'll talk about in this video. So every few years, here comes a product or a service that makes you wonder why nobody else thought about this before. I personally have said that so many times. Well, we are kind of in the same situation here with SoFi. From one-click option to trade stocks, get loans, indulge in crypto, to saving cash and checking your credit score, it's like a whole departmental store of the fintech world. But as long-term investors, we need to look beyond what they're already offering and see what is next for this company. Because the platform, the service, the team, or how good they are in what they're doing could very well be built into the price already. But I'm not saying it already is, but I'm saying could be a chance that all those good things that we talk about for a normal company is already built in. So in this video, that's exactly what we will do. We will do a deep dive into what makes this company worth our hard-earned dollars. But before I go into some numbers, let me share some exciting news with you all. So SoFi is about to get very popular, and a whole lot popular. You ready for this? Let's start by booking our tickets for Super Bowl 2022 because, my friends, it's going to be held in SoFi Stadium. But let's just stay a little bit longer, and why not attend Soccer World Cup match in 2026? I love soccer, by the way. Because wait a minute, that's also happening at SoFi Stadium. And no, I'm not done. No. Let's extend our stay even further because, my friends, we don't want to miss the Olympics in 2028. Guess what? It's happening at SoFi Stadium. So there, I just gave you some massive reasons why this company is going to come in some major limelight. Now, enough with the hype and enough with all the shebang. Let me wear the investor hat and give you some real numbers and catalysts that are not based on some Olympic Games or World Cup or Super Bowl. But before that, please do smash or click or hit the like button, as one of the users commented that I should not be using smash word as I'm not a millennial. So here, I'm giving you all age-appropriate options, so please do what agrees with you and make this video reach out to more SoFi lovers. Now here's my screen. Okay, so we're gonna start discussing from the basics. And that's number one thing that I wanna bring your attention to on your screen. I'm gonna blow it up here. SoFi has doubled its members to 2.3 million over in just 1 year. Before, they were at 1.8 million members in Q4 of 2020, and in Q1 of 2021, they're at 2.28 million. That's massive, and it's really good sign because you know why? The product and the services of this company is getting more popular. That means more people know about the services, more people are talking about it, more people are aware of what they're doing, which is really good for a member-based company. Now I'm gonna bring the second point, which is really exciting. So SoFi is not a bank or a fintech company. Yes, you heard me. This is not just about financial company or a bank. This is a tech company. Their APIs are working in full gear, which is basically a connection between other institution or services from other institution into theirs. They're in aggressive mode. For example, they're using Coinbase for their cryptos. This is really massive because this will make them take full use of many different services without much overhead or employee cost. Look at their product offering. It went up 121% year over year. That doesn't mean that they sat down and created 500 some more product from Q4. Look, it's 2524, right now it's at 3185. But if you look at Q1 of 2020, they were at 1442 products that they were offering. Now they're offering almost 3000 products. So it's not that they sat down and created like 2000 products on their own or 1000 products of their own. It simply means that they connected their services to many more other services through their APIs. So they are more on the tech heavy side, which is really exciting because we know that tech companies are massively profitable. Now that brings me to number 3 point, which is they are projecting that their revenue is going to go up 58% this year, which is really huge. Think about it, 58% more revenue than previous year, massive. Not only that, their EBITDA, which is earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization, is also turning positive this year, which is massive for this new company right here. So all in all, they are kicking really some hard work here, and they are also basically doing a lot more with the members. But we are not done yet. That brings me to the last 2 points. So This is an amazing news for SoFi. SoFi has filed for a bank charter, which simply means that they will be authorized to operate as a bank. And what's that going to do? That will allow SoFi to accept deposits from you and me, guys like, who opens their account and gives their money. And they will make more profitable loans using the member deposits without also relying on third-party banks or third-party companies. So let's say that a person needs a $1,000 loan and I put in $1,000 in my account. They can borrow the money from my account and give the loan and keep all the interest and all the income within the company. So that means that more money in SoFi's pocket. So they have received a conditional approval in October of 2020, and as we know that banking is such a regulated industry, the approvals, the authorization takes forever. So that brings me to my last point, which is that SoFi actually acquired a small community bank, which is Golden Pacific Bank, for $22.3 million. It's a small bank with 3 branches in California, not a big deal. But the whole reason why they did that is because they wanted to speed up their bank charter process, which is really smart. And that is the reason why I feel this company is really, really cool in the way they do things. They are not a traditional bank who's going to sit on their hands and wait for the bank charter approvals to come. No, they are taking steps to make that happen now. So SoFi is being very aggressive with their growth, and that makes me super bullish on company's future. They're not only trying to simplify this complex topic, which we call finance, but they're doing it with kind of keeping the end user in mind. So I'm super excited to what this company has to offer and its customers and investors alike. And I'm a long-term, and I'm going to underline this, new investor in this company. I hope I was able to provide you some value, as of course that's always the goal of this channel. If I'm investing in anything, I do a due diligence, I look at all the aspects, and then those are the things I bring in this video. So please consider subscribing and smash or hit or click, whatever you agree with, the like button, because it does help a lot in getting this channel in front of many more SoFi lovers. Thank you so much for joining. Love you all. Until next time, you all have a sparkling day.